Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about class 10's the chapter arithmetic progressions, and the topic is nth term from the end of an AP. From the end. This one I have already written here. This is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is actually nth term from the beginning. Already we have done that. Now we are coming to this one. So one AP can be written as a plus d, a plus 2d, comma dot 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 plus the last one I am writing L. Suppose the last number is L, last term. Then the second last will be L minus d. Then the third last will be L minus 2d. Like this. Okay, so one AP can be written in this mode. A plus D, A plus 2D, dot dot dot, then L minus 2D plus L minus D plus L, where L equals to last term of an AP. L equals to last term of an AP. Now, we have got this, so we can write one thing, that last term means like this. We are writing the last term equals to L. Then second last term equals to L minus D. First one I am writing like L minus 1 into D, because L minus 0D, so ultimately L. So it's L minus 1 into D. It can be written like this. Then second last term, it's L minus D, can be written like L minus 2 minus 1 into D. Third last term can be written as L minus 2D, so L minus 3 minus 1 into D. And so on. You can see one thing, the similarity like the previous proof of Tn, that here first last term actually, that is L minus 1 into D. Second last term L minus 2 minus 1 into D. Third last term L minus 3 minus 1 into D. So nth term from the end, or you can write down nth last term, no problem. Nth term from the end equals to L minus n minus 1 into D. Right? So we have got this one. Nth term from the end is equals to L minus n minus 1 into D. This is one formula. Nth term from the first equals to L plus n minus 1 into D. A is the first term, L is the last term. Here it will be plus, here it will be minus, rest of the portion is same. So these two are two formula which will be frequently used. My next topic is sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay. So for this, we can write one AP like A, A plus D, A plus 2D, dot dot dot, L minus 2D, L minus D, L. It can be written like this, where we have taken L means Tn, nth term. That means L minus D means Tn minus 1. L minus 2D means Tn minus 2. L we have taken as nth term. So what we have to find out? We have to find out addition of all these terms, like Sn equals to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus dot 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 plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn, suppose. So it's actually a plus d plus a plus 2d plus dot 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 plus L minus D plus L. It's looking like this. Okay. Now, the same thing, if we write it in reverse way, that means Sn equals to L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus dot 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 plus A plus D plus A. We are just writing the addition in reverse way, means this from this to this, nothing else. Now if we are adding these two, then we are getting Sn plus Sn, means 2Sn. 2Sn equals to, look, every corresponding numbers we are adding, this one like this, all corresponding numbers we are adding. Don't put the second brackets. I have put the second brackets just to make you understand. Okay, so it's actually a plus L, right? Plus, look, if we add these two, dd will be cancelled out, so ultimately we will be getting a plus L. Similarly, here also plus 2d minus 2d will be cancelled out, we will get a plus L. Plus dot dot dot, everywhere we will get actually a plus L. Okay. Now the question is, how many a plus L we have got? And the answer is as many as number of terms we have taken. Okay. So we have taken n number of terms. That means we have got n number of a plus L. So we can actually write 2Sn equals to n into a plus L. This can be written. So we have got 2Sn equals to n into a plus L. From this we can write down Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus L. This Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus L is one of the formula for sum of first n terms of an AP. This is the first formula. Now if we expand this formula, then we will be getting Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L means Tn, so we are writing it here Tn. L we have taken as Tn, that means Sn equals to n by 2 a plus Tn's formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. That means we are getting Sn equals to n by 2 a plus a means 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this will be another formula for same sum of first n terms of an AP. So these two are two formats, actually same formula, but whenever you will be having the last term, you can use this. But suppose you don't have the last term, you have only clue for getting n, then you have to use this format. These two are same formula, just two different faces, nothing else. Okay, so these two are the formula for sum of first in terms of an AP. By using this concept, you can easily do exercise 5.3's NCERT exercise 5.3. This exercise is question number 1's all question number 2's all questions, question number 3's all questions. So these three will be your practice work for today's session. So this is all about today's session, students. I hope you all have understood, and now you can do all these questions by your own. On that note, we will meet in the next video with any other topic. Till then, have a good day.